How to clone a project from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. So first you want to go to GitHub and go to the project or repository page that you want to clone, and then press the code button and copy this URL, or press the copy to clipboard button here. Now you want to close this and go back to your desktop, create a folder. So for example, my cloned project folder here. And you want to open this with Visual Studio Code. Right click on it and open with code. Now once your folder is open, you want to go to terminal and click new terminal, and in this command line you want to type git space clone space and then paste the repository link that we've copied earlier, and then press enter to run the command and clone the repository. Now once it's done, you should see a folder appear here as the same folder inside the repository, or with the repository name if it doesn't have any folders. In this case it's test. If you expand it, you should find our file that got cloned from the repository, and then you can start editing your file and adding new files and committing and pushing changes. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.